Hello my friends, welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Grace, and in today's video I'm going to be painting a box for a very good friend of mine. So without further ado, let's get started. A friend of mine had this cabinet. It has a little bow here, but it's really the door handle. It's important to her, and she's trusting me to refinish it in a Mackenzie Childs Inspired theme. So I'm happy to do that for her. I think a long time ago, I'm not sure, let me know in the comments if I'm wrong, but I think a long time ago they used to have a metal tin in here where they kept the potatoes and onions. I'm not sure if that's what it is, but it is a super cute piece, and I am so happy that she's trusting me with it. The back is perforated plywood, or I don't know what you'd call it. I don't want to change too much in it. I was going to replace the back, but you have something like this and you want to keep it as authentic as possible. What I'm doing is just bringing it to life with color. I still want to keep authenticity as far as the structural part goes. Here I'm just applying the first coat, and it's the white. Actually, I don't use white, it's like a vanilla. And then I applied the tape to create the stripes on the side, and now I'm applying the black. It's always better to put the white first and then add the black, because the black covers it so much better, of course. I painted the whole box in that vanilla color, and then I decided that I really wanted black, and so I went over it and painted everything over again in black. Now I just want you to know that if you're not satisfied with something, go ahead and change it. It's only paint. Don't get frustrated, because you know what, at the end of the day, you're doing it for fun. Just remember that when you do something for fun, you'll have a good time. Just removing the tape, you'll see the stripes just come to life. I put the squares on top, or the tape to create the squares. I personally like this feeling when you're taking out the tape. You start to see checks come together. I love that part. Some viewers ask me why I don't put the tape on video, and the reason for that is that it would make the video super long, and I have many videos that have that already. I will link some of those videos in the description box. I don't know what happened. The tape moved, but it's a mess, but I'm going to show you how to fix that, and here as well. Don't worry about it. We're going to fix this, and it's actually super easy. When you see something like this, maybe at one point I'd go, ah! Now it's like, I'll fix it, no problem. And that's the attitude I want you to have. Now I'm going to be using No More Drama, and this is a Bear product, and I've already shaken it. It's a beautiful red.
Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't want to talk, you don't want to bother. Yeah, so I took another shot, let my brain do the walking.
I am in love with this bow. It is so cute that I'm so excited, and I can't wait to see it finished. Okay, so this is where things get kind of funky. I had painted this bow in No More Drama, but then I started to think about the color of another piece that I did for her, and it was in dark crimson, and I really wanted them to match. So I'm painting it over with this. It's also a red, but it's a beautiful dark crimson. I'm going to match her other piece. You know, when you're working on a project, you don't like it or it's not coming out the way you want it, go ahead and change it. It's only paint, guys. Don't get stressed. It's only paint. I love the way this black looks on this red. This red is almost like a Mickey Mouse red. Now I'm going to add some dots in the front, just underneath the lid and above the doors. And I don't have a sequence to put it. I just put them everywhere because you know what? I don't want it to look factory made. I want it to be fun. And I'm adding some more here in the bottom underneath the cabinet doors. And this little bow, I'm going to add some dots, and I'm using a dabber, and I got it at Michael's. So it's basically like a little dowel with a little sponge piece at the end. Now this part here is very interesting. There are many different ways to do it. How I do it is I whisk mine on, where some artists, what they do is they mix the black and the white or the black and other colors together and they paint them on together. To be perfectly honest, I love it this way more. That's just me. You do you.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. dive into the deep ocean. Dance with you all night long. Move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm. Singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music. Singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
Well, there you have it, my friends, the before and after. I love the way that bow turned out. It's just, I love it. I love it. It reminds me so much of the Mickey Mouse theme with the polka dots and also this mirror. I made this for her as a special little surprise. I made her a table before, so I wanted to give her a mirror to match with her table. I can't wait for her to come and pick it up. She's going to be so surprised. She loves, loves, loves this stuff. Not sure if you remember one of the videos I did with the X&Os. I got these for $4 at Dollarama, and I'm going to be changing them because I'm going to have a garden wedding, and so I'm going to be creating little themes to put in tables around the yard. I'm going to make it a pop of color, almost Hermes orange. This is the Rust-Oleum Universal, and I got it on sale at Michael's. It was regular $16.99, and I paid for it on clearance $5. You can't beat that, guys. And then I did get this beautiful, almost like a Tiffany color. This one was $5. This yellow one was $5 again. It was regular $16.99. I'm going to paint one in each color. Oh, what a beautiful yellow. And there you have it. There's the yellow. We're going to let that dry. That's one coat. And here's the orange, that beautiful Hermes orange. And here's that beautiful Tiffany blue. So we're going to let this dry, and then we'll come back and see if another coat is needed. And there you have it, my friends. I love the way these came out. It's almost like a lemony yellow, and that blue, that Tiffany blue, is gorgeous. The orange one is just, I don't know, I love it. From Dollarama, and it was $4, and they've made them fun and beautiful. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget that you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when, and never ever, I wish I did.